What if I told you that your life could change in just 60 seconds? Imagine you wake up tomorrow and everything you own is gone. Your clothes, your gadgets, even your favorite chair. What would be the first thing you'd do? For Sarah, this wasn't just a dream. It was reality. One late-night fire destroyed everything. She stood there, heart racing, as the embers faded and the smoke clouded her vision. Just like that, her life was reduced to ashes. But instead of crumbling, she stumbled into her garage. In that clutter, she found hope, a box of color swatches she had stashed away for a project she never started. With each color, memories flooded back. Family dinners, best friend hangouts, and her grandmother's quilt. No, she couldn't let everything go. She decided to revamp her existence, using the scraps of her old life to create something beautiful. With borrowed tools and a community rallying behind her, Sarah transformed her space into a vibrant haven, every inch telling a story. But here's the twist. She was just one disaster away from a whole new life. What happens when the world pulls the rug out from under you? Will she rebuild or break? If you're waiting for your own what-if moment, remember, it's never too late to turn the rubble into a foundation. What's stopping you? Don't just wait for life to happen. Create your own destiny.